my name is Nancy Musa, and today I'm going to share with you about the propagation of plants, succulent plants. But before we talk about the propagation of succulent plants, I would like to share with you what are they. And so here we are. I've got a variety of the examples for the plant, for the succulent plants. These plants they are very special. They have very special tissues that can resist droughts because they are able to keep a lot of water in them. So as you can see, these plants exist in various colors, in various sizes, and can be used actually for home decorations and also like for outdoor gardening, but in very small proportions. So now about the propagation of these plants. It is very simple, very easy. And we only have to take one leaf out of the plant, whichever plant that have grown so big, and we just take out one leaf. For example, let me use this. You just have to cut one leaf, and then when you cut this leaf, you have to leave it for 1 week. Just place it somewhere for 1 week, and then in a week's time it's going to develop roots. And after it develops roots, and then you have to put it in a prepared container, for example this one. And it is also important to know that we can plant these succulents in with different things, not only soil. For example, we can be able to use residues from rice. So it is very easy to propagate them, and they grow very slow, but they do grow. As you can see, this was initially a leaf that I took out some 2 months ago. They are very slow, but then when they grow out so beautifully. And so basically like I was saying, exists a very wide range of this type, in which even aloe vera is included. So apart just from the home decorations that we can have out of the succulents, we can also have some medical advantages, some medical benefits too. Like for example, the aloe vera, it gives us a lot of benefits. And I would also want to comment on how to look after these plants. Just as much as they have differences in their species, they also have different necessities. You can find that other species needs to be in shade, and other species needs to have enough sunlight. For example, what we have over here, this type of species that we have, they need a lot of sunlight, about 2 to 4 hours of sunlight. They have to be in a position, we have to place them in a position whereby they can get enough sunlight. And if we do not go by the requirements, then we would find that they can die. They will not live. So it is important that when we decide to keep these type of plants, we have to meet up with the requirements. And most of them, like I say, they do not require a lot of water, and a lot of amount of water. Therefore, we have to be mindful also by the time we have to water them, and how much water we are putting on them. So basically, if you want to water this kind of a succulent plant, it only means that you can do it for all of them actually. You can water them once in 15 days. That will keep them alive. Well, that was it.